the Willie Clancy Week, it's not so much that like a student or a bystander for the most part will learn a great deal of detail or specifics, it seems, about the music. You might not, but that's not really the issue. What happens is that after you spend a week there and you meet these people and you hang around it, you're permeated with a sense of what it's about that you couldn't really specify in words, and you're brought into the spirit of the music. Remember I was talking about kind of bending notes a little bit. You know, it would have been what would happen in a normal vibrato. But we'll forget about the vibrato and we'll go.
The Willie Clancy Week in some ways is a very large carnival. You run across all sorts of legendary players that are just wandering the streets and playing just for the sheer fun of playing. It's nice in the Central, for instance, P.J. Hayes and Bobby Casey and Junior Crean will sit and play in one of the back rooms, and they're some of the nicest sessions you'll ever hear. The rhythm and the sort of nice, relaxed way that they play the music to allow it to breathe, and you begin to see exactly where the core of the stuff comes from.
This festival is quite different to most festivals I would go to, in that like there are no staged public performances, in the sense of like there are no bands, there are no named events, there's no big advertising, there's no promotion, and like whether the chieftains are here or whether a local concertina player out the road are sitting in a pub, it seems to make absolutely no difference, and it's very organic in the way in which it comes together. So it's very different, you know, from festivals that would have like a high-powered lineup of bands and artists, you know, to attract audiences and sell tickets ahead of time. This is all very casual, really.
I know when I was a teenager that it was an opportunity to do an extraordinary amount of drinking and hear some great music as well.